Technology is everywhere, but curiously absent from our schools. At WIS India, we are trying to bridge the gap between technology and the realms of education. Towards this end, WIS India presents ClassRoomE.
An all-encompassing ecosystem for schools, ClassRoomE touches every aspect of the schooling framework, from administration to learning. It helps schools optimize workflow by maximizing their performances. Let's see how ClassRoomE goes about making everyone's day amazing. The location tracker in mobile app ensures students are always safe. ClassRoomE offers a seamless user experience. It makes storing and retrieval of data a complete breeze. ClassRoomE is a teacher's pet, a digital personal assistant which simplifies the clerical aspects of teaching, helping teachers focus just on teaching. Every update, be it notes from the last lecture or whiz quiz grades, reaches all its recipients at a click. The accounting section of ClassRoomE ensures parents keep up with the school fees. The entry is made just once, and all the databases are auto-updated for an easy audit for the school management. Less manual work equals less chances of error equals lower blood pressure. Now, with all the data available in various forms, ClassRoomE is designed to sift through it and come up with comprehensible, decisive information that helps the administrators analyze and improve their performances. ClassRoomE will even act as an interactive forum, tying together the various elements of the schooling ecosystem in a beautiful exchange of ideas. Wait a minute, it's school time.
This presentation was just a glimpse into what ClassRoomE is. To find out more about ClassRoomE, the self-adapting whiz quiz, mobile app support, and more exciting features, contact us for a detailed demo.
Introduction. Now with the classes in full swing, let's look at the primary inhabitants of this ecosystem of learning, the students. We have Sohini, an English teacher, Debolin, a maths teacher. Our students are Nishal, Atif, Samya, Anushri, Papin. ClassRoomE lets every student maintain a profile which delves into his or her academic record and personality. It highlights teacher-student perception and provides students a medium to express themselves. Teachers can form a first-time impression of academic as well as co-curricular highlights of the student. Profile also contains seemingly minor yet important information, such as students' blood group, which might be helpful in an emergency. An integral part of the curriculum, Lecture Notes feature ensures reusability of class notes by teachers. Teachers can customize visibility of notes according to the needs of class. ClassRoomE makes sure notes remain accurate as they are passed on. ClassRoomE gets rid of the problem of distortion in taking notes, which is a big issue with young learners. Assignments and notes form an integral part of learning. ClassRoomE helps out teachers and students in keeping track of assignments. ClassRoomE will eventually be able to provide teachers with nifty statistics, which will help them analyze students' performance on these assignments. To top it off, the auto-grade feature of ClassRoomE ensures that teachers have to enter grades for these assignments just once, and ClassRoomE updates all the relevant fields where the grade is to be used. The online calendar in ClassRoomE helps students keep track of assignments, assessments, and projects. The interface is color-coded to help young learners, provide a very convenient way for students to track their academic commitments and manage time. The use of calendar and organizer will help students learn the basic skills of time management and organization at an early age, which will prove to be very useful later in their life. The gradebook in ClassRoomE helps reduce the amount of non-teaching work teachers have every session. No more multiple entries into different files, no hassle of record keeping, or chances of error creeping in. Whiz quiz grades are automatically updated to gradebook. The gradebook is neatly organized for easy readability and meaningful evaluation. What's more, students and guardians can keep track of all of these grades and so much more on the mobile apps. The forum is an inseparable part of ClassRoomE. It's carefully designed to stimulate curiosity, directed towards a better and thorough understanding of the concepts taught in class. Students and teachers can brainstorm their way through a particularly challenging problem, exchange ideas on theorems, poems, collaborations, and just about any other topic under the sun. It encourages peer-to-peer learning, ensuring that the discussion forum is moderated at all times. ClassRoomE sports a user-friendly email using which students and teachers can communicate on relevant or not so relevant topics. It is a full-fledged mailing service with powerful features eradicating redundancy and the need to resort to any third-party applications. WizMail is ClassRoomE's own email client. It is exactly what students and teachers need to help them communicate so as to carry out academic activities. It keeps a strict tab so as to ensure technology is not misused. A dream for parents, teachers, and students alike, WizMail is shielded from the outside environment, helping maintain a secure environment for learning. Bulletin board is a medium for administrative notices and announcements. It is an extremely efficient way of disseminating information both to guardians and students. In times of contingency, everyone knows where to look for information. Almost everyone has a smartphone app these days. We have dedicated to use this global phenomenon to help schools. Through mobile apps, schools can send notifications to parents, students and parents can keep track of grades, and eventually a lot of features of ClassRoomE will be available in our iOS and Android mobile apps. Mobile apps will help streamline communication channels between parents and school administration. It will also make it very convenient for parents to keep track of their ward's progress. WizQuiz is one of the highlights of ClassRoomE. It gives teachers the ability to create a computer-adaptive test wherein the test adapts itself according to the skill set of the students on the fly. WizQuiz takes into consideration a student's performance in assignments and assessments, his or her relative performances to other students in the class, and other factors in shelling out the most suitable question for the student, which would best evaluate his or her ability in the particular subject. The best part about the algorithm of WizQuiz is that it gets better with time. The idea is to bring the dynamics of computer adaptive tests in the mix of assessment in schools. WizQuiz is a fantastic tool for measuring performance of a student and benchmarking the results. Artificial intelligence is here. Are you prepared? ClassRoomE is a versatile adaptive software by design. We understand that the features we presented might not have everything you're looking for, or there are aspects not relevant to your academic institution. We would be more than happy to work with the school to customize our software according to the individual needs and ensure every school has their own perfect experience. Two other highlights of ClassRoomE are library management and the billing and accounts section. We do not have a default accounting or a default library management system, as every school has its own way of managing these tasks. Our goal with ClassRoomE is not to change the way school is administered, but to help academic institutes in doing what they already do, but in a more efficient manner. Once schools are on our trial, we will work with you to tailor ClassRoomE to fulfill your exact needs. Seems like you want more from our software? Well, we are just a mail away. In this digital world, it is imperative for educational institutes to have a proper .edu website. It helps students, teachers and administrators avail the best educational discounts on software, help school establish an identity on the global arena. It can open a plethora of opportunities for academic collaboration across the globe, students and teachers exchange, conferences, and much more. Yes, we will provide you proper websites, not a bundle of web pages which looks like a scam site. You might be wondering, all said and done, we'll have to upgrade our IT infrastructure and buy more computers. It will be quite expensive. Don't worry, we've got it covered for you. WizIndia will help you upgrade your IT infrastructure. Although our software has been designed to be extremely user-friendly, we have an extensive training program to make sure none of the users of ClassRoomE face any difficulty in exploiting its exciting features. You had a peek into how schools are going to operate in the very near future. Thinking about making the leap? Well, why don't you try it out? WizIndia welcomes you to be an inhabitant of the ecosystem of learning that is ClassRoomE. Contact our team at www.wizindia.org/support for a free trial.